Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified, where we break down complex topics into easy steps. Today, we're diving into how to transfer XRP on Kraken in 2025. If you're holding XRP and want to move it securely, you're in the right place. XRP is a popular cryptocurrency known for its fast transactions, and Kraken is one of the most reliable exchanges. With updates in 2025, the process might have some tweaks, so let's get you up to speed quickly. First things first, make sure you have a Kraken account set up and verified. If not, head over to the Kraken website or app and create one. It's straightforward and essential for security. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Look for the Wallets or Assets section. That's where all your cryptocurrencies are listed. Now, select XRP from your wallet. You'll see an option to withdraw or transfer out. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's XRP address. Double-check this address. It's crucial because blockchain transactions are irreversible. If you're sending to another exchange or wallet, ensure it's compatible with XRP's format. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Kraken will show you any network fees, which for XRP are usually low, but keep an eye on them as rates can fluctuate in 2025 due to potential network upgrades. Review all the details carefully, including the destination tag if required. It's an extra layer of security for XRP transactions. Hit Confirm and authenticate with your two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added protection. Once submitted, your transfer will be processed on the XRP ledger, which is super fast, often under a minute. Track the status in your Kraken transaction history or on a blockchain explorer. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your XRP. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable 2FA, and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, Kraken's support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Stay safe out there.